Friends, welcome to my channel Amazing Sai Satvik. Today we are gonna discuss the tricks of table 9, table 99, table 19 and also table 199. Trick of table 9. We can see here the 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. So friends, I'm gonna say first only. Here we are gonna discuss the trick that is based upon the digits in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now in the 9 table we will consider both ones place and tens place. In the ones place we can observe from 9 to 0. 9 in the 9 ones are it's 9, in 9 twos are it's 8, in 9 threes are it's 7, in 9 fours are it's 6, in 9 fives are it's 5, in 9 six are is 4, in 9 sevens are is 3, it's in 9 eights are is 2, in 9 nines are it's 1 and in 9 tens are it's 0. We can observe a series 9 to 0. And in the tens place, as usual, as in the units place, we can observe 0 to 9. 0, as we can see, in 9 ones are it's 0, in 9 twos are it's 1, in 9 threes are it's 3, in 9 fours are it's 4, in 9 fives are in 9 fours are it's 3, in 9 fives are it's 4, in 9 fives are it's 4, in 9 six are it's 5, in 9 sevens are it's 6, in 9 eights are it's 7, in 9 nines are it's 8, in 9 tens are it's 9. So we can say that in the ones place it's 9 to 0 and in the tens place it's 0 to 9. And now let's see 99 table. 99 ones are is 99, 99 twos are is 198, 99 threes are is 297, 99 fours are is 396, 99 fives are is 495, 99 sixes are is 594, 99 sevens are is 693, 99 eights are is 792, 99 nines are it's 891, 99 tens are is 990. Here we are basing the trick on the base of units place, tens place and hundreds place. Now let's see the units place. In the units place it's 9 to 0. We can see in 99 ones are it's 9, in 99 twos are it's 8, in 99 threes are it's 7, in 99 fours are it's 6, in 99 fives are it's 5, in 99 sixes are it's 4, in 99 sevens are it's 3, in 99 eights are it's 2, in 99 nines are it's 1 and in 99 tens are it's 0. So here we can say that in the units place it's 9 to 0, but in the tens place wherever it's only 9, in the 99 ones are it's 9 only, in 99 threes are it's 9 only, in 99 fives are it's 9 only. Here in the tens place 9, that's it, 9 is fixed. And now if we see the hundreds place it's 0 to 9, as we can observe in 99 ones are it's 0, in 99 twos are it's 1, in 99 threes are it's 2, in 99 fours are it's 3, in 99 fives are it's 4, in 99 sixes are it's 5, in 99 sevens are it's 6, in 99 eights are it's 7, in 99 nines are it's 8 and in 99 tens are it's 9. So we can base the 9 table as in the units place 9, that's it, just 9. In the hundreds place, in the units place we can see 9 to 0, the series of 9 to 0, and in the units place just 9, and in the hundreds place it's 0 to 9. And now let's see the 19 table. In 19 ones are it's 19, 19 twos are it's 38, 19 threes are it's 57, 19 fours are it's 76, 19 fives are it's 95, 19 sixes are is 114, 19 sevens are is 133, 19 eights are is 152, 19 nines are it's 171, and 19 tens are it's 190. And now let's see the units digit. In the units digit, we can see the series 9 to 0. We can see in 19 ones are it's 9, 19 twos are it's 8, 19 threes are it's 7, in 19 fours are it's 6, in 19 fives are it's 5, in 19 six are it's 4, in 19 sevens are it's 3, in 19 eights are it's 2, in 19 nines are it's 1, and in 19 tens are it's 0. Whereas in the tens place we can see odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and again 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In the tens place, it's 13579 and 13579. In the hundreds place, it starts from 19 into 6. It starts from 19 sixes. It's 1 from 19 sixes. So we can say the trick for 19 table that in the units place, it's 9 to 0, and in the tens place, it's 13579 and 13579. Whereas in the hundreds place, it starts from 19 into 6, and from 19 into 6 to 19 into 10, its constant value that 1. And now if we'll observe the 199 table, so many members feels 199 table as a toughest table by just seeing the number 199. But if we will observe this one, it's really easier than 9 table if you understand the trick. Okay, now let's come to the trick. In 19 ones it's 199, 19 twos it's 398, 19 threes 199 threes it's 597, 199 fours it's 796, 199 fives it's 995, 199 six it's 1194, in 199 sevens it's 1393, 199 eights it's 1592, 199 nines it's 1791, and in 199 tens it's 1990. Now let's see the units place. We can observe in 199 ones it's 9, 199 twos it's 8, in 199 threes it's 7, in 199 fours it's 6, in 199 fives it's 5, in 199 fours it's 4, in 199 fours it's 6, in 199 fives it's 5, in 199 six it's 4, in 199 sevens it's 3, in 199 eights it's 2, in 199 nines it's 1, and in 199 tens it's 10. And if we will observe the hundreds place, it's fixed with a simple value 9. That's it. No other digit is coming. We can see in 199 ones 199 threes 199 nines wherever it's 9, just 9. And in the hundreds place, if we'll see clearly, we can observe odd numbers as usual in the 19 table where we got 13579. Here also we can observe 13579, 13579 and 13579. And in the 100 and in the thousands digits also, same in the 19 table as usual, the thousands digit starts from 6, and it's just a constant value 1. So for 199 table, we can say that in the units digit it's 9 to 0, in the tens digit it's constant value 9, in the hundreds digit it's 1 to 9, it's 13579 and 13579, and in the thousands digit it starts from 199 into 6, and it occupies a constant value 1. So friends, please watch the complete video, and also like, share and subscribe. Thank you.